Hey guys, this is Arun a.k.a. from GadgetGuruBN.com. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Narzo 50A, which is Realme's budget Android smartphone priced at Rs.11,499. So, is this the right smartphone for your usage? Watch till the end to find out. And for more videos like this one, subscribe to ABN World, turn on all notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Also check out my one link solution where you can keep track of all smartphones to compare and buy your favorite smartphone all in one place. With that being said, let's dive in. The device comes in two variants, two color options, and is available since 3rd of October 2021, that is during the Big Billion Days sale. So what do you guys think about the pricing? Let me know in the comments. The device comes with following dimensions and weighs 207 grams. The build quality is pretty great, which also feels great in the hand. The display quality is pretty great, which also offers very good colors, contrast, dynamic range and sharpness. Also the sunlight visibility is very good. The device comes with following connectivity options. It comes with basic sensors and the rear mounted fingerprint scanner works very well. The audio quality from the loudspeaker, 3.5mm jack and Bluetooth is very good. Also the call quality is very good. The device is powered by Mediatek Helio G85 SoC. It runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.2 interface, which includes the following features. The overall general performance is great. The multitasking is pretty great. And the RAM management is very good, which could have been even better. Also the gaming performance is pretty great from both the games in its max graphics settings. The device comes with 50MP triple rear cameras and an 8MP front camera. In daylight, the image quality is great with very good colors, contrast, dynamic range and sharpness. Recording this part of the video on Realme Narzo 50A's main camera in Full HD at 30 fps. The video quality is also great with very good stabilization, which could have been slightly better. recording this part of the video on Realme Narzo 50A's front camera in Full HD at 30 fps. In low light, the image quality is pretty good with good colors, contrast, dynamic range and sharpness. The video quality is also pretty good with good stabilization, which could have been slightly better. The battery life is excellent. You can expect the following stats if your usage is light to medium, and even with heavy usage, you can expect up to 2 days of battery life with up to 10 hours of screen on time. The charging time from 0 to 100% takes about 2 hours 55 minutes. These are the pros and cons. For product rating, I would rate 8.25 out of 10. For VFM rating, I would rate 7.4 out of 10. So GadgetGuruBN rating is 7.82 out of 10. After considering all the pros, cons and ratings, the Realme Narzo 50A is a great smartphone at a very good price. But there are other phones in this price segment that offer even better value. So what do you guys think about this Narzo 50A? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. That's it for this video. I hope you found this review useful and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay awesome and have a great day.